It's a free trade agreement more than 25 years in the making. On one side, Mercosur, the South American trading bloc composed of Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay and Bolivia. On the other, the 27 EU member states. The aim is to do away with 90% of tariffs between the two zones and create a market of 700 million people. It's an idea much to the liking of European industry, particularly German car makers, who see the promise of new markets. But European farmers, especially in France, Italy and Poland, are worried. South American farmers are permitted to use more pesticides and fertiliser, and with much larger farms benefit from lower costs and higher yields. European farmers say it's unfair competition and have for years been protesting against it. Concerns that Emmanuel Macron raised during Brazilian President Lula's visit to France in June.
But the Mercosur countries do not all have the same regulatory standards, so there is clearly a big difference. It is not a difference of competitiveness, but one of norms. The restrictions are not the same. Of course, we want more trade, but we need to respect our farmers, and we also need to acknowledge our own ambitions.
France is asking for the signing of the deal to be pushed back, and for South American agricultural imports to be subject to the same quotas and standards as those from Europe, a stance supported by Austria, Poland and Ireland. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen wants to wrap up the main terms of the deal before she visits Brazil on Saturday. For the deal to be rejected, 4 member states representing at least 35% of the EU's population must oppose it.